Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and utilize the BoldDesk's AI Copilot feature. The AI Copilot feature helps agents respond to customer queries quickly by automatically suggesting appropriate replies. It generates responses based on customer conversations and KB documents. Copilot is one of the features of the BoldDesk's AI Assist, which is available only in the enterprise and business plans. To learn more about the AI Assist, follow the link in the card above or description below. To enable the AI Copilot feature in BoldDesk, log into your BoldDesk account as an administrator. Then, navigate to the Admin module and select Artificial Intelligence under the Settings section. On the AI Assist settings page, select the AI Copilot checkbox and click Update to save the changes. Next is how to use the AI Copilot to generate ticket responses. Navigate to a Ticket Details page and open the Reply text editor. On this page, you will find the Use AI Copilot option, or chat icon at the top right, next to the Apps tab. Click any option and a panel will open where you can ask questions. In it, enter the question and click Send or press the Enter key. The AI will retrieve answers from the knowledge base to provide a response. The KB article link will be attached along with the response. To use the suggested response as a ticket reply, click Use as Reply and it will be populated in the text editor of the ticket. Or you can use the Copy option to copy the suggestion. The AI will return an error message if there are no knowledge base articles related to your question. Finally, agents need to remember the following things when using the AI Copilot. AI-generated answers are drawn from your knowledge base. Therefore, AI won't generate a response if you don't have KB documents related to the question. The AI Assist function is designed to retrieve responses from the KB based on the access permissions of the currently logged-in agent. Therefore, if the answer is available in the knowledge base, but the user lacks the necessary access rights to it, the AI feature will not source information from that knowledge base. This feature analyzes the most recent comment in a ticket to generate a reply. The AI will only consider the most recent question, even if you have several follow-up questions in a ticket. The AI might give incorrect responses. Therefore, the agent needs to verify the AI-generated information before posting. The AI only uses the ticket conversation and relevant knowledge base document to provide answers. It does not have access to other information. This feature is currently only available for English language articles. The AI permits a maximum of 4,096 tokens, roughly equivalent to 12,000 characters. Therefore, it is advisable to create separate knowledge bases articles for distinct topics instead of combining multiple topics into a single article. In this video, I demonstrated how to enable the AI Copilot feature and how agents can utilize it to generate ticket responses. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button. Stay tuned to our channel to watch more BoldDesk tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.